Good day guys, last weekend we hiked at Mount Asog here in Iriga City and naisip kong mag-research ng AI tools using GenSpark naman and then gawin niya itong PowerPoint slides plus an interactive iPhone web app. So I pasted my prompt and GenSpark did the heavy lifting. So always check your chain of thought para makita niyo kung paano mag-isip yung AI niyo. So always check that. It's important to verify it na tama yung ginagawa nila by looking at their chain of thought. So yan, pinapakita ni GenSpark na yung mga na-research niyang AI tools naman. Then verify niya using the research tools. And then ayan din yung present niya na PowerPoint presentation. So let's check. So basically more corporate style yung dating. I will upload this PowerPoint presentation in my page. Check it out na lang. Now let's check the web app that he built. I will download these files and then upload it to Netlify. And there you have it, yung web app na ginawa niya with the tools that he researched plus nakalink yung mga buttons doon sa kung anong apps yung na-research niya para madali yung access natin hanapin yung tools na yun. I hope you can use this in your own workflow so you can move faster. If you got value from this, don't forget to like and share. My mission is simple, bring AI to every Pinoy. Walang maiiwan. This is Rap from AI for Everyday Pinoys. Maraming salamat.